And as Willie has pointed out, if the member states tackle just ATC inefficiency, this alone would further reduce our carbon footprint by 10%. It's a reform that's 20 years late, the single European sky. It still hasn't been delivered, and it needs to be delivered now. We believe the EU and the member states should support sustainable measures for aviation fuel research and supply. But we need effective reforms, such as reform of ATC. Don't tax passengers, don't tax particularly those passengers who live on islands or in the regions of Europe. And as far as, just to give you a sample of the other initiatives that the A4E members are taking in terms of sustainability, as I said, Ryanair is purchasing 200 new aircraft over the next 5 years at a cost of more than $20 billion. It will reduce our fuel consumption by 16% per seat. IAG is investing $400 million in sustainable fuel development over the next 20 years. KLM, when they're not promoting train journeys, has committed to development and purchase of 75,000 tonnes of sustainable fuel each year for the next 10 years, starting in 2022. Lufthansa Group has set out a plan to become carbon neutral for ground operations in Germany, Austria and Switzerland by 2030. Air Baltic has an eGen project enabling high-precision approaches to cut CO2 emissions, and EasyJet is actively partnering with Wright Electric to develop an electric aircraft with the intention to be viable for short-haul routes in Europe by 2030. Ladies and gentlemen, Europe's airlines are at the leading edge of reducing fuel consumption and improving environmental sustainability. We call on the governments of Europe, and particularly the new European Commission, work with us. Help us to solve the ATC screw-ups, which are causing such delays for our customers and damage to the European environment, and stop this policy of double taxing or levying additional taxes on top of hard-pressed European air travel consumers, and work with us as an industry to develop these sustainable and effective measures. Thank you.